stress and depression are on the rise among the students.
But a new program developed by NAIT Student Wellness Department is hoping to change just that.
Tanya Spencer is a student counselor helping students improve their mental health. She and her team are introducing a new program that could allow them to reach more students.
The need for the workshops is pretty high. When we rely solely on a one-to-one session model, we're only reaching roughly 8 or 9% of the NAIT student population. We have a limited capacity. So last year we met with about 1,100 students and we met with them about 3,500 times. We're hoping that the workshops allow us to use that time more efficiently.
NAIT's counseling service currently offers multiple one-hour workshops throughout the semester on stress management, relationship, loneliness, grief and loss, increasing confidence, but counselors are also very open to student suggestions.
I think that a good addition would be self-harm and self-deprecation. That also ties in with the self-confidence, but I know that a lot of people with the stress start thinking about darker thoughts and suicide, so I think a workshop on that specifically would be very beneficial.
I think the biggest thing is a workshop on how to be okay and to be confident with not being okay.
We feel that we do very good work in a one-to-one format, but having people together in a workshop allows people to realize that they're not the only ones having difficulties in these areas.
Tanya and her team are hopeful for a good turnout and would be eager to expand the program by offering more variety in the future, should students want it. For NAIT Newswatch, I'm Brandon Subchition.